extra. Where is this? Spring version number. Okay, Jackson version number. Okay, fine. Module dot. Okay, what the module build dot gradle dot this. Okay, val spring version string by root project dot extra. Okay, fine, that's good. Otherwise one more option is there. Gradle dot properties is there. What is there? Gradle dot properties is there. 6 point. Val spring version string by project dependencies. What this? That's the option. Use version catalog. libs.version.toml. Best for large projects. Best for what? Large projects. Spring this. Okay. Gradle.libs.version. It's looking very heavy, boss. Leave it. Okay. Create Kotlin object for version if you like static typing. Object version constant val spring. Object version constant val spring. And that you have to specify. Okay. That you have to specify. Gradle properties, simple central version control, extra, quick sharing multi-module, version, modern Gradle clean dependency management, build SRC, Kotlin autocomplete and strongly typed what version. Okay, fine. Okay, now we'll choose one option, guys. We'll choose what? One option. Versions.kt. No, I want to use everything that is there in single file. I don't want to go outside the file, guys. I'm not interested to go to what? Outside the file. Yeah. Yeah, here what is there? Extra is there, build dot this. This is root and subroot kind of thing. Okay. Is there any solution that we can do everything in build.gradle itself? Okay. Give me that solution where everything can be placed. What is this? Everything can be placed in single. What is there? Single build dot what dot? Gradle dot KTS. Yeah, see, there are solution, but which solution should use? That's up to our choice, right? Okay, this one, guys, meta most readable. Yeah, this one plugins. Okay, what is there? Plugins, Kotlin JVM versions dot Kotlin application. Version is equal to versions dot my application version. Okay, fine. Implementation dollar versions dot string is there or not there? Dollar versions dot string is there. Okay, forget about that. Okay, I got the clarity. Yeah, what is there? First object version. Yeah. So first of all, what I do is in this project, I'll try to add one more Spring Jar file now, my dear. Yeah, first we'll try to add Spring Jar file. But before that, let me paste this one, what I copied. In that one, I don't need all this stuff. Okay, I just need what? Constant val. Val means variable kind of thing. Okay, constant val spring. Spring is not fixed, guys. You can take anything. Okay, you can take SP word, some variable name. Okay, that is taken. But before that, to use that, somewhere I have to have multiple jars of same concept or not there. Yeah, here is what? mvnrepository.com. What repository.com? mvnrepository.com. Tell me. What is there, guys? mvnrepository.com. Yeah, where is this, guys? Spring context support. That is okay. Spring web. Spring Web MVC. Yeah, here is what? Spring Web MVC. 7.0.0. Okay, that's good. Yeah, here is one, guys. Spring Web MVC 7.0.0. Here is what? Implementation. Oh, I have taken Maven one. Sorry. Go to Gradle. Gradle Kotlin one. Select this. Paste it. There 7.0, here 7.0. Na? Yeah, we'll take one more thing, guys. We'll take what? One more thing. Spring JWE. Not JWE. We'll have other jars also. Na? Data JPAs. Spring Data JPA starter. Hey, what's happening? Spring Boot starter data JPA. Here also, what is there? Acha, I'm adding Spring 1 minute. Not Spring Date. Okay. Spring JDBC. I'm adding Spring related jars. Okay. Here is what? Spring JDBC 7.0. Select it. Paste it. Yeah. But in all three places, I'm hard coding version. Yeah. If tomorrow, if I change the version, I have to modify all three places. Come on, guys. Gradle refresh. Gradle refresh. Okay. Okay. Now look at the dependencies. 7.0 only, web 7.0. Everything 7.0 has come or not there. But I don't like 7.0. I want to work with some number of 6.x. I have to modify in multiple places or not there. But I don't want to modify one place, but it should reflect everywhere. I want to modify in one place. You should reflect what? Everywhere. Yeah, that's why I have mentioned version, guys. Okay, next one. Okay, Kotlin JVM versions with what? Kotlin. Versions with what? Kotlin application. Versions dot Kotlin. Array, where is this? Versions dot Kotlin. Is there any Kotlin version? Yes. Okay, no, I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want to use anything. Version is equal to versions dot. This is also not required. So I can straight away use that one now, boss. Because this is the object name is version. Versions dot property name I can write or not there. Okay, guys. Now listen. What is there? What is there? Support. Here, what is the story? Dollar. Versions is the object name, guys. That can be anything. SPVR. Versions is the object name. SPVR. That's good. Copy this. Say paste. Copy this. Say paste. Saved or not there, guys. Versions.sp version. Versions.sp version. That's so we are getting same 7.0, but I have to check whether it is working or not after Gradle refresh. When you say Gradle refresh, then only changes will reflect. Refresh Gradle project. Yeah, that's fine. So still we are getting 7.0 versions now, boss. 6.1.3. Oh yeah, why? Because in version, what is mentioned, guys? 6.1.3. Okay, now let me take 6.1.7. Say refresh. So that means instead of modifying in three places, we are able to modify in one place or not. We are able to modify in one place or not there. Gradle, refresh Gradle project. Gradel. What is there? Refresh Gradel process. It's coming nicely now, boss. 6.1.7, 6.1.7. Yeah, really, I know possible, but I don't know syntax. What I did, I have taken some reference are not there, guys. That's what. This attitude is very, very important in the industry. When you start the work, you may not be aware of anything, but that should not stop your work. You should use one or other reference document. You have to experiment. You have to find one proper solution, and which suits, which does not suits. Everything you have to analyze. For that analyzation only, these concepts are required. See, it has given 3, 4 solution, but all of them are using what? Separate file, separate file. Are a separate file, all these are good when you have multiple modules and other stuff. It's a simple standalone application. Why should I entertain separate file? No. In that situation, this object versioning is very, very useful or not there. Yeah. How to control, what is there? Multiple versions of the process. How to control multiple versions of the project to jar files. How to control versions of the project jar file from the single place. From the single place. Yeah. Answer. For this, use what? Okay. Hmm. Object versions having, what is there? Your choice variable names. What names, guys? Having your choice variable names as shown below. And use those variable names